Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Ben. I go by my amateur call sign K0BJJ on the handbands. If you would like to, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel, and subscribing to the channel is really going to be important here because once we reach 500 subscribers, we're giving away a handheld radio, a tow rod, whatever else I can figure out to throw in that box. It's a big box, so ship anywhere to a U.S. Shipping address. So make sure when we get to that 500 subscriber mark, you're part of it. Today, though, we are going to be reviewing the MFJ 1979 antenna. This is a 17-foot whip antenna, and I'm going to tell you a lot more that even I need notes. So the MFJ 1979 fully extended is 17 foot. Technically, it's 16.9. I rounded up a little bit. Collapse, it's 2 foot 3 inches. And please excuse the dogs barking in the background. This antenna can be tuned 6 through 20 meters. How do I know it can be tuned 6 through 20 meters? Because I've done 6 through 20 meters on this antenna alone. This antenna is also for under $100. So it makes this a really good starter antenna for anyone on HF. With that, if you click the link in the description below, and any of the Amazon links in the description below, those are Amazon affiliate links, I really appreciate it in advance if you click on them, because that helps the kickback to the channel. If you buy anything off those links, it helps support the channel. So by going to those links and buying a thing or two that you already need, you're helping us. So thank you for supporting the channel if you do that. What we're going to do next is I'm going to break out the Rig Expert here. This one that's in my nice pocket here. And we're going to show you how this thing tunes up on 6 through 20 meters. Currently set up for 20 meters. Let's hook it up to the analyzer and see where it stacks up. All right, everyone, we have the Rig Expert set up here. We're going to start on 20 meters since that's what this is currently set for, fully extended. So we're going to go 14, 270, SWR 1.25 to 1. If I didn't mention before, this antenna is on a Wolf River Coils base. I also have 6 16-foot radials coming off of it. So next, I want to drop down to 17 meters, and yes, I'm going to have to resort to the band plan. So let's say 18,130. That looks about right. 18,130. Helps if I go the right way. I know I said 18, I only have 17 there. Currently, it's not too bad. I'm going to flip you around. I'm going to show you how easy of an adjustment this is. I will bring you back when we are in tune, but you will see the entire time I'm adjusting that antenna to see how easy this is to bring into tune. Now, as you can see, that didn't take long at all. It took me all 33 seconds of recording time, and that includes me walking out there and coming back, and we're already at 1.33. Perfectly fine to activate from. Now, I told you this thing could do through 6 meters, so what's next on our list? There's 17. Looks like 15 is the next one down, so let's go for what? 21,300. Let's just do 21,300. By the way, these are rig experts. If you can, these rig expert 6, if you can get a hold of them, we'll love them. Definitely recommend. They are a lifesaver. Save a lot of time tuning, because those of you that don't know, you can actually tune an antenna just using the SWR meter on your radio. But since we are fortunate enough to have one of these, we're not going to do that. Well, keep going the wrong way. Now, before I even touch it, let's see where we are in tune. 2.4, 2.3. In a pinch, you can activate with that. But I know we can do better. So I'm going to flip you around again, and we're going to set it up and see if we can get this under 1.5. The goal was under 1.5, and where we are, 1.45. Took about a minute. I normally don't tune for 15 meters, so it's going to take me a little bit longer, but we're looking at about a minute or two to tune. It's not bad. It's not bad. Let's see what the next band we're going to hit is. Looks like 12 meters is next. Let's aim for 24, 24,960. Let's aim for 24,960. You know what? We're not even going to touch that. 1.7. We're talking a matter of an inch or two either direction. So when this thing's good for 17, you're probably 15, you're probably good for 12 too, because I would run that on my radio. So with not even making an adjustment, we've already covered 2 bands. Now let's go down to the fun stuff. 10 meter band. Let's try 29,500. Do 29,500 on this one. Or sorry, 28. I was reading the 29. No, we could do 29,500. I'd rather do 28,500 though. It's kind of in the middle. Let's do 28,500. There's 28. We'll do 28,560. I'm going to go make a little bit of adjustment. This isn't going to take much. I have a feeling it's just going to be finishing the slide down, and we'll be back. And there we go, everyone. There's 10 meters. Really didn't need to adjust it from where it was, but I did. So now the ultimate truth, 6 meters. This antenna is getting kind of short. Some of you know these bands better than I do. Well, let's go 6 meters. So let's go 50.2 or 52. Let's go 52 megs. I'll get you on here. Go 52 even. And all honestly, we could operate from there, but I know we can do better. I'll flip you around. Let's get it better. We're at 1.88. I'm just going to show you the issue that I was having with this on the table. It kind of fluctuates a little bit, so just keep everything all fine. In my hand, it's at 1.88. We could fine tune this a little bit more, but as you can see, this will tune down an operatable area 6 meters from little to no issue. So I want to thank everyone for watching. Again, I'm going to have a complete list of what I was using in the description below, as well as a few mounting options. The MFJ 1979 does not come with a way to mount it, so you're going to need a ground spike, a mirror mount, something in order to get this thing up on the air. But for the price point, you're under $100. You might be right at $100. It's a good 6 through 20 option on the cheap. And if you're CB, or you might already have a mirror mount, and then you just got to find a spike to put in the ground. So I mean, it's relatively easy. With that, I want to thank everyone for watching. Again, all the Amazon links below are Amazon affiliate links. Don't forget to hit those up if you need something on one of those items. Helps us out. And don't forget our 500 subscriber giveaway. For that, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. 7-3.